In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN Plus on Hulu, so you can enjoy live sports and exclusive content in one place. Let's get started. If you have a Hulu Plus live TV subscription, ESPN Plus is often included as part of the package. Open the Hulu app or website, log into your account, and navigate to the Live TV section. Here you can find ESPN channels like ESPN, ESPN2, and ESPN News, which stream live sports events. For additional ESPN Plus content, download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device, and log in with your Hulu credentials. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once activated, you can access exclusive ESPN Plus content like UFC, MLB, and original shows. Alternatively, visit the ESPN Plus website on your browser and log in using your Hulu account details if they're linked. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN Plus on Hulu.